In WWDC 25, most of people said Apple is not concerned about AI. After iPhone 15 released, it has started to upgrade its RAM to 8 gigs for the Apple Intelligence. I know Apple Intelligence hasn't various features or it could be useless at all. In WWDC 25, there was an announcement about foundation models. I have checked the document about the foundation models. It is capable start in 26 operation systems. My thought was how are you Apple is going to let developers to use this model. As I posted in my Twitter, it is private, readily available, and no cost. No cost. This is the most reason I have to test it out. I'm not just a consumer to complain about the AI. Let's see how the foundation model works as a perspective of view as a developer. Here is my feature that uses the AI to read the transaction and make them in the right place. First of all, you can copy some text or the information about transaction. And those information is full of data that is month, day, hour, minute, description, and amount. Press the paste button on the reasons, and it reads which one it is and goes to the place it has to be. If you don't have these features, you have to select each of them and write it with your own hands. But in my app, just paste and done. My app is for the global users, so I didn't decide to trim it out and put it where it should go. That's tons of human works. So this is made with the Gemini models. Let's transform this with the foundation model. Here, it is some prototype page that I made this for the test. First tab is the Gemini model that is in production. Second tab is the foundation model we're testing. Copy text of the information about transaction. How does it look in Gemini model and foundation model? Its responses is almost the same. I can't show all the codes or the prompts, but with lots of prompt engineering, I found it works almost perfect. Almost, I said almost, because there were some errors occurs in under 1%. So will you use it? Why not? I have tried foundation models in iOS 26. Almost it can be used in iPadOS, macOS, and visionOS. In next upgrade after OS 26 launches, I will implement the features and let users to try. If I can, I will add selection of the models to let users to select and try it. So let's wrap up. There could be tons of ways to use these foundation models, but that's up to developers how to use. Developers have to figure out the system, how to instruct the model, and how the model listens to prompts, and how it answers to the prompts. Hope lots of developers out there start to make some great apps that use the foundation models. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.